I'll be showing you where you can create a Finnish online account. Let's go. So now here you can see enter finland.fi. So just go to this page and then you will be able to see this. There are two ways to create a user account. So the first one is you can create an account using swami.fi or EIDAS identification. So this option is only available if you have strong identification like bank account details here in Finland. So this is not for you, and then better you choose this option, which is you can create an account using your email address, and then you just have to follow the process, and then follow carefully the instruction on how to create your account using your email address. And that's it. It's easy peasy and it's very simple. When it comes to the student visa application process, there is that one little hurdle we need to jump over: paying the application fee. But fear not, you don't have to worry, my friends, for I'm here to guide you through it seamlessly. So step 1, grab your notepad and get ready to jot down or just hit the pause button. It works for you. So the application fee for a Finnish student visa varies depending on the type of visas you're applying for. So make sure you do your research and figure out which category you fall into. And knowledge is power, after all. And once you've determined the application fee for your specific visa type, the next step is to head over to the good old internet interwebs. Yes, my friends, brace yourself. It's online payment time. So, now don't worry, because if you're not too tech savvy, I've got your back. Okay, so visit the official website of the Finnish Immigration Service. Trust me, this is their website on my screen, and you can see the instructions right there. Okay, just waiting for you to fill them out. Look for the section that discusses student visas and find the application payment page, which is this screen right here. Okay, and it shouldn't be too hard to locate. It so easy. All right, we're halfway there. The website will provide you with all the necessary steps to make the payment. Now, some of you might be thinking, but what if I don't have a credit card, or you don't have a credit card? That's a good question that let me answer you, or let me answer myself. So my soon-to-be global scholars, okay, Finland has got you covered. You can use online banking to transfer the application fee directly. Simply select the option for online banking payment, and voila! Just follow the instructions, transfer the funds from your bank account to the designated account for visa application fees, and you're golden. Okay, but there's more. For those of you who prefer the good old-fashioned way, you can also pay the application fee at a Finnish mission abroad or Finnish consulate. Like for example, what I did, I no, but for me, I paid the application fee through my bank, through bank online. So just make sure to check the specific payment methods they accept beforehand. And there you have it, my fellow future Finnish students. Paying the application fee for your student visa then doesn't have to be a nightmare. With a little bit of research, some online exploration, and you are safe. you have it, an epic DIY guide to snagging your student visa for Finland. Remember, each case is unique, so stay updated with the Finnish Immigration Services website, okay? I did it all by myself, and I know you can too. So, best of luck, future Finnish students. And if you have any questions, recommendations, or any topic that you want me to share with you guys, please comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. God bless. Bye.